Welcome to ArborSafe Tutorial 4, Understanding Your Tree Data. In this video, we will explain how to understand the information displayed in a specific tree assessment pop-up. Let's start by clicking the Tree List tab on the left of the screen. This will give a list of all the trees on your site. Search for the particular tree you want to view the information on and click it. This will give you two options: show the tree on a map or show assessment. Let's click on show assessment and the tree data pop-up will appear on screen. This window shows you the species photo and the common name and botanic name of the tree. It also lists the tree ID, the tree number, risk rating, easting and northing GPS coordinates for its position on site. This attribute section shows you the age of the tree, its life expectancy, structure, health, height, dBH, which is diameter at breast height, and its canopy. It also shows you how many trees are allocated to this tree number. If the number is 1, it means that only one tree. If it's more than 1, it means that a group of trees have been assessed together as they hold the same attributes and work actions. In this case, the number is 1, so it's a single tree, not a group. The Arborist Comments section shows the name of the ArborSafe arborist who completed the assessment on the tree, any comments relating to that tree at the time of assessment, and the date the assessment took place. There may be more than one comment from the previous assessments or specific testing if it is deemed relevant. It is important to read the comments written here to have a greater understanding of what is required for the tree's ongoing management. In the next section, is shown the tree's defects, significance, and work actions. The cost listed at the top of this section relates to the arborist work actions listed below, and is an estimation only based on a 3-man crew with a truck and chipper completing the works. The tree defects list are faults or issues for this particular tree that the consulting arborist has observed. The significance of the tree relates to the benefits of this tree within your site or any special considerations, such as memorial planting. Arborist actions or works shows any remedial actions the assessing arborist has recommended to be carried out on the tree by your contractor. By completing these work actions, the tree risks rating is often reduced. The General Actions Works list shows a range of remedial actions that you or your staff may choose to additionally carry out on the tree, such as mulching or irrigation. In this case, there are no actions in this space. There is an area for general comments where you can type information you feel is relevant to the tree, such as extra works completed by staff and the reason for it. For example, a limb failing in a storm. The next section shows the work order history. This is where works that have been carried out or completed by a tree contractor can be recorded with the date, the supplier, the quote or invoice number, the cost of the works that was carried out. This process will be covered in more detail in the tutorial on how to enter completed works. You can also upload files to the tree data place, such as photos or specific reports. You can then download that file or asset, delete it or rename it. There are also options to create a work order report, print the data window, or create a PDF of it. To exit the window, you simply click Cancel if you haven't made any changes, or Finish if you have. Close the tab, and we can fit our trees back on the screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email shown on this screen.